I ran out of tarps because I built every single shelter.
Do you still have your rebreather?
Huh?
You still have your rebreather?
Yeah, my rebreather.
Okay, alright. The only thing I was concerned is that, like, I think you guys saved after me. So I was like, oh, maybe, like, the small little stuff that we didn't...
Free zip lines and printer stuff. Also, the lightning's, like, striking the mountain a lot.
Yeah, it's kind of weird, right?
We should probably go over there.
Nah, I don't want to go up there. It's cold. Wait till summer. Or spring.
By the way, you can get more ammo from the cave quickly if you want.
Oh yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah, you go grab ammo. I'm already like way too far away. I'll meet y'all at the next cave.
Alright, I'll stick with you.
At least the closest cave that there is to our location.
Jesus, the fucking lightning is insane.
How many times is it striking the mountain for you?
I just hear it non-stop.
Maybe it's because it's snowy out and the game doesn't like it. I think I'm all back over where the... Yeah, I'm back over with the guy with the fucking... The guy with the... Guy with flashlight. I found my way back to him.
Yes, there's a drink.
And I miss being immune to the cold.
Why aren't you immune to the cold anymore?
I don't know, we reloaded the game like several times. The game remembered, oh, you're supposed to be cold.
So you were immune to the cold?
Yeah, I didn't have hardly anything for my cold bar.
Insane.
I wonder if that's what's glitch in the game, is because the game does know how to handle cold.
It knows how to handle cold.
Alright, where are we going?
Heading to a cave.
What cave?
Cave that's closest. Which is a hike away.
Okay, sure.
It's a very long hike. There's also another cave attached to it. Up in the mountains. I think that's probably the ice cave though. I don't think that one's important. Cave up in the mountains, and there's a save point there because I built it in a nice chair.
That was weird. At least we have more save points everywhere.
I have save points at multiple
Hyena!
cave entrances.
Running water!
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, you better get something to drink.
Yo, remember like when it wasn't cold as fuck every day?
Yeah, those were the days.
That should be the next album of the...
Remember when it was cold as fuck?
Remember when it was cold as fuck?
I couldn't get water no more. All the lakes were frozen. And
I had
can't
to eat
feel my
cat
balls.
food. I was so hungry that I ate cat food directly out of the can.
Yeah, like $34.
But it's
But
okay.
then I lost the can opener.
And then I found a stick in the snow and I cried.
Cried.
Why'd you cry when you found it? I don't know. I'm emotional right now.
Okay, it was the first thing I've seen in months.
Oh, this is the zipline cave.
Actually, you know what's the funny thing is I just found a stick in the snow that was just barely sticking out. Get it? Sticking out. No, but, like, I haven't seen any other stick otherwise, but that one was just, like, sticking out, because, like, it was slightly, I don't know.
Bad news, this is a zip line and scuba cave.
Well, let's go to a different cave.
Yeah, we need the rope gun. It kind of sucks how that... don't remember. That may be the one for that one item. I think it was called.
I can hike over to the other cave. But y'all are so far away.
Yeah, I was like worried at first. I was like, how am I gonna cut this? Cut all this content. And I'm like, just cut all the walking parts.
Yeah.
Unless something interesting happens, like, I don't know, cannibal attack.
Well, yeah, obviously that.
Anyway, I'm heading towards the next closest cave system. That's the other cave. That's the important cave. That's the one we need to go back to once we actually have everything.
The rope gun?
Yeah. Rope gun and rebreather, which we have 1 of 2 now.
Yeah, at least we have the rebreather, so most of those caves don't feel like shit.
The other thing is, like, there's like 3 caves in like a triangle.
Oh, that's what it was. I remember what was in that cave now. Do you want me to keep it a secret, or do you want me to tell you?
No, don't tell me, I don't want to know.
It is something we need, though.
I'm gonna
What's up?
tell me a Morse code.
Okay, hold on.
Buckets.
I don't understand Morse code.
Neither do I. I know SOS. I think it's... Imagine sexting in Morse code.
Dude. You just like wait and then you process the word and you're like, oh, that was so hot.
I think I'd be really warm and like all this, you know, flesh that I carve up all the mutants.
I'm not sure if he just called me a bitch or sexy as fuck, but goddamn, I'm turned on.
You gotta check the manual.
All I can think of is Monster Prom as y'all talk about that kind of shit.
Why is my thing beeping? What are we going near? What is this purple?
That's the dead guy that's in the ground that we need a shovel for.
Oh.
We don't have a shovel, so we can't dig him up.
He probably has the fucking key card.
No.
Or he has the shotgun.
Also possible.
Or he could have a second shovel. Just
Jack,
imagine digging up a dead guy to find another shovel.
why can't we build the shovel? Like in Minecraft.
True! Yeah, wait, what the fuck? I feel like we could just build a shovel. We built an axe. We can't build a shovel? It's the same fucking concept, except you just make it slightly curved in the inside.
You just use your hands.
Anyway, I'm here at the cave and there's free loot box here. It has some pills and a zip line in it.
It sounds like you're like a producer. I'm here in the cave right now. We got a new
I'm here in the cave right now. I'm on my phone. I'm googling on how to survive the island.
Hey guys, it's me, Cave Dweller 73, back in the cave again, playing some...
I'm making a campfire while I wait for everyone and cook some meat.
I'm waiting for my friends to stop being so lame and catch up to me. They're all back in the other side of the island like a bunch of losers. Gosh, they really suck.
I'm not going in there by my fucking self. I don't have any ammo.
Hey guys, it's me, Cave Dweller 83 here.
Every video just change the number.
Hey guys, it's me, Cave Dweller 753 here. Hey guys, it's me, Cave Dweller negative 73. Ah! Person!
Hey, it's me, Cave Dweller 69. I'm going to enter this pussy.
Whoa! Earth pussy!
Yeah, all of them look like that.
Hey guys, it's me, Cave Dweller 69 here.
I don't know why
about
they
to
can't
devour the
I don't know
Earth
why
pussy.
the developers just don't make, I don't know, like a normal cave entrance.
Yeah, why didn't they like scoot into the cave?
Yeah, I don't. Every single cave is like scoot into the cave. It's
Yeah.
like, why can't we just waltz on in?
Because it's gotta load up the inner caves.
Anyway, I got free pills
Yo!
here. People need pills.
I killed a deer!
Well, bring it its meat. I have a campfire going.
Boom.
Gonna throw some leaves on it.
I was running alongside it and I went swing.
Poor deer thought you were just racing.
I got pills and campfires here.
Oh,
Pills here.
good 'cause it's cool.
Yo, I like this little divot you got going on here.
Yeah, here's one nice little campfire. Come over here and warm up. You got some pills there on the ground if you need them. Do you need some pills? Tiff, do you need some pills?
I don't think, but
It's
I
got a
can.
zip line. I wonder if this
Oh,
is where we get it.
Well, now I don't anymore.
Well, make sure to actually grab your meat because I'm not chefing it
But
up.
yeah, I just got the zipline rope from the.
Yeah, I think this is where we can get it then. Or maybe, oh, I hope we don't need it in this case.
I'm waiting for food to finish. I'll be there in a second.
Yeah, we're just at the entrance. Is that free meat?
Free floor meat. Floor meat, floor meat, floor meat, floor meat.
Yeah, free floor meat. I ate it. Delicious.
Oh, there's a
Eat
watch
more.
on the guy's arm.
The guy has like 2 watches. Ooh, canned food.
Imagine having double watch. Couldn't be me.
There was a person in my high school who had like 2 watches. I don't know why.
Alright, let me out my flashlight. Step in the cave with us.
Yeah, I'm in the cave.
Yo,
Bye.
Striker, you're in heaven.
What?
Look at him skull.
I know, it's my favorite thing. Let me just
Oh!
start throwing them off the cliff. See how far it goes.
So many.
Be wary. There could be other mutants in here.
I'm pulling out my gun. I'm not taking it.
I will distract them as you shoot them. Yeah, there's like there's a fair amount of mutants. They're all the basic one. I don't think of the thumb mutants. I don't think they like the light. Yeah, they hate the light. Alright, I killed one of them.
Oh, I got a crucifix.
Nice, we can fend off demons with that.
Yo, come get it over here.
Give me one, I'm harvesting meat.
Oh god, I need help. Grab it over there.
Yeah, we found where we get the crucifix item then. Where is it? Oh, where the plus sign's at. Holy shit, there's like...
Ah! There's a lot of them in here.
Hey, there's ammo over here. Wire. Now we can fend off the mutants. Power of Jesus. Back! They ran away.
Oh, you know what?
Yeah, they're all standing down here.
Oh no, he tried to stop me. The cross isn't doing shit.
Striker, there's a lot down there.
I'll fight all of them.
Striker, run away from there. I got grenades.
Yeah, I'm already moved far away. Throw it.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, more armor for my collection. I took 0 damage because of all the armor I have.
You say there's bullets down here somewhere? Oh, wait.
Yeah, there's bullets in there.
Oh, no. Wait, that's slug ammo.
Oh yeah, that's bullets for something. There's like a whole bunch of medical supplies right where the cross is at.
There's a dead guy over here.
Wait, how do I make armor?
You just made it by skinning him.
Oh, I collected his email. FYI, this is what we were looking for. Oh, weird. Alright.
I want to collect his email, his private information.
Come get it.
Where is it?
He's holding it.
No, he's not.
This guy?
Down the ladder? Oh, that guy. Sweet, free emails. I love snooping. Oh, this is that ore that we've been seeing all over the place.
Yeah, that's what he's looking for. The corundum.
Anyway, we could go deeper.
There's another dead guy.
What is armor
Ah!
called?
Careful, there are mutants down here.
Oh god, what the fuck is that?
Holy fucking shit!
Do we shoot it?
Is it trying to get out?
I think it's trying to get out. I don't know.
Can we cross it to death? Can we just hold the...
Striker, look. Hey!
There's time bombs. I could throw a bomb at it.
Yeah, throw bombs at him. Blow them the fuck up. Just pick up all those time bombs.
You know, I'll just throw a grenade. Yeah.
Let me just grab those bombs first. Hey,
that does
he
it.
fucking died. Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
He turned into Gibbs. We're having a party now.
Yo, look at it's free meat.
It's
Yeah,
free
I'm
meat estate.
I'm not eating that unless I do it by accident. Like the arm that I ate once, well, somebody's leg, I ate that by accident.
Oh, there's people down here.
Yeah, there's also a note here. I'm not gonna pick up the note because they're... Oh, it's just normal muties. It's just the blind ones that hate the light. Flesh. You will sustain my existence through your bodies. There's another flare over here on the ground that's not used. Somebody wants to pick it up.
Yeah, I think that's the one that I threw that I didn't activate by accident. Oh, watch out.
Oh, there's another one. Damn bitch ran away. Gotta get back to flesh harvesting. Yes.
I cut off her arm!
Whoa!
Let's go.
We got one of those big dudes.
Like, the one that we had to explode a minute ago?
Yeah.
No, I'm thinking about the guy with the whole bunch of thumbs for a mouth.
How do we
that
light the fucking Molotovs?
Your lighter.
Yeah, but like I have it out.
It's hold L.
No?
Yeah, for lighter.
Yeah, where is the dude? I don't see him. Oh fuck, he's running at you.
Oh god.
Oh fuck, he like just took half my health. He got through all my armor. If you see white crap fall out of him, that means he died. Nice! There you go, he died. He just spat up.
There's another one over there.
Yeah,
Yeah, you got another Molotov, motherfucker.
woo! Burn that bitch!
Yo,
Watch out, he might charge you. Takes pills.
Whoa!
Did he charge you?
He's still alive?
Yeah, he's still alive.
He's dead. I got him from behind. I'm taking his flesh for armor.
This dead guy has a piece of paper on his back that says "Stay out."
Oh yeah, I need to go back there and pick up the one piece of paper from the guy because we were
Is he glitched?
Yeah, he's glitched, but you can still harvest them. There is more bottles of... Oh, never mind. There's more pills over here if somebody needs more pills. And MREs if you need to eat.
I actually need to set a hotkey for my pills. I'm just gonna set it to 0.
Oh yeah, let me do that.
It's a double! It's a
Another-
double decker!
Oh!
What the fuck is that? Well, he died. Oh, never mind. He's still alive. 3 guys with axes surely should be able to defeat him.
That was spear.
Jesus Christ, that was terrifying.
I think it's going to get worse from here on out.
Alright,
Where's the note at?
Everybody armor the fuck up. Let's do this.
Oh, did you see? Anybody see the picture of the guy in the box, in the cube, on this wall here?
No.
Yeah, yeah. If you come over here where I'm standing and look at the wall, there's a guy in the cube.
On him, either. Doing some sloppy Joe.
Getting my creeper armor back on. There you go. I'm full of creepy armor. Did anybody look at the picture? Did anybody witness it?
What picture?
Right here. Am I the only one who's able to see this picture
The
here?
guy in the box?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And then you see everybody outside the box. He's fucking dead.
Yeah, well, maybe they should have been better.
Alright, so there's a box to go in the box.
Yeah.
That's a good plan to me. Does anybody see lights? Oh no,
What
it's
do
more dead
babies- What
bodies.
do babies do?
Just slap them with your axe. I think it kills them.
Oh,
They hop at you.
oh my god. They did like a weird spin when I hit them. Ah. It was terrifying.
Kill the babies.
Just whack them with your axe. They're just babies. They can't hurt you. At least not that hard. They've been hanging people.
These
More
babies are
flares if somebody
terrifying.
needs it, like a shitload of flares.
Yo, give me them. I've been using so many of them.
Just throw them, honestly, everywhere.
Yeah, they're really useful.
I have 2 in my car.
Yo, $25 collected. Woo woo!
Yeah, I can't wait to spend it at the store. Walmart.
There's possibly a vending machine around here
What if
somewhere
we
that we
made
use all this
that-
money on.
I think
We got
made
rock
like
stars
a-
in the sky, watch your
Like
head.
a civilization where you actually had to pay for stuff in this game. Imagine.
Who knows, they might add it in later.
Tiff, do you have armor?
I have a little bit.
I have like 2.
Just because it becomes rust.
Be careful rushing in there, we don't know what the hell's in here. Yeah, this is like a deep ass cave.
Alright,
Did I set the first hotkey? I did not.
this sucks being tall. I'm hitting my head on every stalactite. I'm seeing if there's anything over here though.
Oh, there's just bats. Got more mutants. Got one. There are more. Oh fuck, they're over here with me.
There's at least another one behind you, hyena.
I killed 2 of them.
Another one there.
Got it. Killed 3.
You got that one? Cool.
I think they're blind. They have no eyes.
Well, they definitely notice their light, so they're light sensitive.
They get triggered.
They
by
probably still have eyes, but the skin over their eyes have, you know, grown over their face, so they can't see anymore. But whenever you shine lights at them, they can see it through their eye.
Well, that's why I'm throwing the flares down. So technically, we won't have.
Make sure to
use
collect your creepy
Wait,
armor.
we got a big boy.
lights. Ah!
Oh,
Like a really big one.
Wait, let me get my mod pop out.
Whacked him a couple times with the axe. I got him down on the ground.
Wait, hold on.
Alright, I killed him. I already killed him. He's dead.
Already?
Yeah, I killed him. I'm a badass. You know that, right?
I do.
Oh, okay, never mind. My bow and arrow was glitched for a second, and it had a pebble on the front of it, but I was able to switch to the other.
Hey,
to
look!
the arrow,
Hey,
so.
look! This is how we ended up every time we die here. Hey, what's that yellow thing up there? Oh, never mind. It's a light. There's a light in it. You can turn it on and off
I wish
still.
we could get those outfits. Those outfits are kind of sick.
Yeah, I know. I really wish we could just grab one of those and just be able to pick a whole bunch of them up and then laying them out in caves.
We got
How we want them
babies.
to be. We got babies. Just one whack with the axe should do it. They can't handle its power.
Ah. There's one behind. I can't. I think I got it with the arrow. Yeah.
Yeah, you got him. There's a there's a
Get
bone in
fucking
him.
owned, baby. I couldn't even
Bone a
see.
baby.
Oh, no.
It was a stone. I stoned a baby.
That's not even better.
Look, I don't know what to tell you. At least I didn't bone a baby.
Getting a baby stone is probably better. At least Chris
I wonder where we're at right now. This
It's
has been a long
arguably
cave.
slightly morally better to stone a baby than it is
Hey,
to
look,
bone
it's
a
the
baby.
ore. There's more ore.
which way are we
And that
going?
way
Left
dead
or
ends,
right?
so we're going to go this way.
Does it dead end? Hyena's going.
No, there's up here.
Wait, there isn't up there?
Yeah.
There's like a whole bunch of bodies and shit in the other place. I feel like that's the way we should be going.
I found ammo.
Oh, there's another newspaper here.
Oh wait.
Wait.
Missing CEO.
Wait, do you think we?
Yeah, this is the guy that we're looking for.
Do you think we could explode
Yeah, this-
this?
We could try, but it doesn't look like it goes anywhere.
Nah, yeah, I'm pretty sure you'd be able to destroy it.
Alright, otherwise.
Yep, if you got your guns, reload them because there are dead bodies in this area. Like a lot of them.
Should I prepare the flare?
I haven't seen anything yet, but there's a whole bunch of goo on the walls.
Babies?
More babies.
Baby.
God damn it, I'm getting my ass kicked by babies. They're just doing backflips. They're showing off.
Damn babies.
Oh wait, there's an oh never mind, it's MRE.
Damn,
Ow!
baby.
Oh sorry, I was trying to hit the baby to make sure it was
Tiff is
dead.
not a baby.
Last time I checked.
You need me to
I'm
kiss
not
your
a baby.
boo boo, make it feel better.
No. Oh god, there's a whole shop that goes up here. What the fuck is this? Oh, there's more flares.
Oh.
And ammo. Nice.
Oh shit, I'm coming up there. Yeah, more buckshot for the gun I don't own. I'm gonna break the lap computer because we can get more computer boards. And we can't use them anyway, we're too stupid.
Yeah, we could literally. I have so many. We could literally build like.
So many time bombs, there are more babies. Alright, I killed him.
What is this abortion simulator?
America.
Alright, I'm gonna stop right here for a
2023.
moment because I need to re-armor up.
Oh wait,
Yeah,
no,
we do
it's
that
the
real
opposite of America.
And make sure you get your armor on.
I got one part of armor.
Wait, you didn't harvest all those bodies in the last room that we just killed?
It's one per person.
No,
There.
no, I was able to harvest
Yeah,
armor
we were
from
doing
people that you already harvested.
Yeah.
Wait, y'all don't harvest all the armor?
No,
Oh,
it's
there's
just
a lot
you.
of-
Then let me be the tank since I'm pretty shit at everything else.
What the fuck is this?
I think it's just a pivot.
I think the zipline gun's here because there's. Oh, hey, look, a zipline gun.
Let's
yeah.
go!
Oh, let's go back to that other cave.
Well, let's zipline first because I'm pretty sure this is the exit.
Wait, don't make sure you get the ammo.
I already grabbed it.
Hey,
Yeah.
let's go to that other cave that we can actually do now. This is.
Yeah, this is the exit.
Where? Up here?
You just gotta keep going back up.
Alright.
Can I shoot this?
Yeah.
But the zipline gun, yeah.
Yeah.
I hope this is like the exit. Because I feel like that we just went around in a giant circle, maybe? I'm not entirely sure.
This looks like that.
Yeah, normally we go up to leave.
Oh, could I make my own zipline? Is that like the whole...
Yeah, you
Yeah,
probably
here it
need.
is.
Sweet. Alright, now we can go back to the other cave and grab the shovel.
Let's
We're
do
moving.
Shovel
Oh
time.
god!
Let's take care of our sanity.
That was
first.
the most terrifying fucking thing. So I was in the process of running to where the exit was, and you guys already started going out. I couldn't see the rest of your body. All I saw was your hands.
Hey, would you like to build us a shelter?
Yeah, let's save. So we got both things. We can do everything now.
Let's see. Yeah, we'll wait to to eat. And...
Oh shit! Watch out!
Fucking
Oh fuck!
Going back in the cave! I'm fucking
Damn
done!
it! Why'd you just?
That scared the hell out of me! Oh my god! Fuck!
I soloed him.
Oh, there's another one. There's another one.
Game.
Watch, yo, dude. There's
What was
another
that?
one. There's another one.
I had iframes. You could have killed him while I was doing that.
I was. He ran to you. I can't believe that.
Because he saw me harvesting his brother.
I'm taking this one.
I made a
take
10.
that
Oh, by the way, I figured it out.
one. Hey, Calvin. Hey, you built. Why'd you build it in here?
Don't worry about it.
I mean, let's sleep.
Well, yeah, you gotta come in here and huddle in the corner.
Whoa!
Is it still nighttime?
Yeah,
Yes, because we got ambushed.
Down.
you killed me. Someone save me.
Yeah, I'm
Did
coming.
you kill it?
Yeah.
Eric, pick us both up. I can't believe you built the tent in such a shitty location.
What? I don't know what to tell you.
The tent's destroyed. At least we saved.
Now you can pick it back up the tarp and stuff. All you need is the stick. Yeah,
I
see.
saved Kelvin as well.
Yeah. I just picked up the tarp. Oh, somebody picked up the tarp because I
Alright,
don't. do them.
someone place it. Do you need me to place the tarp down?
I don't have any tarps.
I would-
I keep
Why?
stealing all my tarps.
I have a pile of them. I have a crucifix too.
Yeah. I also have a pile of them.
Do you have a crucifix?
I'm gonna get a
Hmm.
campfire prepared for tomorrow.
Alright, I'm going back
Because
to
we're gonna
sleep.
need to eat.
I'm going back to sleep.
Bring you back to sleep before the
Calvin,
movies
get
come
in.
again.
We need warmth.
All right, you might want to move. You might want to move. Somebody might want to move. And lighten the fire because I'm gonna be
You put
cooking.
it in the snow.
Yeah, I gotta cook. You can have one of the pieces of meat.
Let me throw mine in there.
Oh, well then eat your own meat.
Threw all of it in there. Probably not. Oh, can we put a lid
Oh.
there?
No, we can't cook the leg. Unless it's an option in that menu.
It is.
It is, yeah.
Oh, well, I guess we could.
Oh my god, wait. Striker,
How
you're
does it
the
take
old
this to
guy.
cook? I've been doing this for
He's not
years.
Asian
now.
anymore. Is this food done yet?
My food was done.
There we go. Now it's starting to get done.
Anyway, I'm going to the river that's just down below, and I'm gonna go and put away my flashlight somewhere. God damn it, it's the same button. Yeah, there's a little bit. Oh fuck, that's cannibals! Axe, give me my axe. Yeah, that's right. You better run.
Wait, let's see if it kills
Cannibals.
this.
Alright, let's
Back to the shovel cave.
yeah.
Where's the shovel cave?
If you get the shovel, let's do all the big spots. Well,
Shovel cave is
Oh, I gotta take
back
my-
towards the glowy, back towards the glowy dot in the
wait, you knew it
cave
was
that
a
we came
shovel
out of.
cave the whole time? I was gonna say it was a shovel cave.
Oh, you said that was the cave,
That was a shovel cave, yeah.
not the one that we were just in. I'm talking about the last one that I
Yeah,
went
that's
to.
the shovel cave.
Yeah, we're going to the shovel cave.
Yeah. At least we got a shit ton of ammo.
Ah! Creepy guy! Creepy guy! Creepy guy! Creepy guy!
That's why I left.
Yeah, I'm right behind you.
Because there's a lot of cannibals around
taking
there.
my T block.
Wait, can we use...
Hopefully you picked up your tarp.
I
Unless
got,
you
like,
want to leave
10
it
of
there.
them.
I didn't pick up the tarp, but I also I have like 3 at least, and every time I see more, like I don't have enough space to get them. So
Well, why didn't you tell me about it? Because I need more tarps.
Honestly, if you're a genius...
I don't know how you're-
Zero...
right? Because then I'm not confused. I have everything else set because I had it set to 4, and I'm like, this is a terrible idea. Like, I'm just gonna set this to 0, so this way.
It automatically takes it for you.
Yeah. And it's also not like in the middle of me trying to switch weapons, so I didn't. That's why I put it at 0, because it's not like something that I'm just gonna casually press.
I literally have all of them like I have Taser for 1, Pistol for 2, Axe for 3, Bow and Arrow
I have
for
Act 1, Gun 2, Slingshot 3, Bow and Arrow 4, Grenades 5. Nope, sorry, Snack Bar was 5, and I just ate a snack bar.
6 for me,
Grenade.
Molotov.
Grenades is 6 for me. 7 is the Molotov. And then 8 is
Seems to be shovel.
the 8 is the flare. Cannibal behind you, hyena! Ah, cannibal in front of me! Yo, I got them
Speaking where they actually fight you.
They're more afraid of us than them of them.
What?
Them of them.
They're scared
Honestly,
of themselves.
I would be more afraid of someone else than I'd be afraid of myself, so that is fair.
I'm surprisingly like not drunk too.
Yo, wait, that actually shoots the rock. Yo, hyena, look at this.
Shot.
Do you see this? I have a rock on my bow and arrow.
Oh, nice.
Fling rocks at people with a bow and arrow?
Yeah, I don't know how.
Maybe he changed it to where you can use ammo for any weapon.
But then if I switch it, right?
Imagine
It-
you use the gun
Ah!
and just starts firing.
Fucking
shots.
hell. That's actually one of the glitches that the guy was in the Reddit post. Someone was saying that their gun was shooting rocks.
That's like the best, funniest fucking glitch
So,
ever.
There's a VR game called Hard Bullet, and in like the sandbox mode, there's a device where you can put an ammo type and you have a melee weapon, and it will shoot that melee weapon.
Let's go. It's like GTA 5 with the Chaos Mine where you could shoot cats out of your gun.
But what's sick
Oh,
is
it's
if
like-
you use a shotgun, it shoots all the pellets turn to that item, so you can shoot like 80 samurai swords.
It's also as funny as the Crisis thing where you pirate the game. Everybody shoots chickens.
Let's go.
Is this like
Yeah, this is it. This is cave. I built the most stuff out of this cave, outside of this cave.
You even got a chair?
Built a tent, chair, 2 bone torches.
Oh, is that stuff all just still here from last
Yeah.
time?
Yeah, I built it.
That's funny.
Anyway, I'm going.
Oxygen tank down here. I can't carry
What's
anymore.
so funny? We're just using the gun itself. Like, we can literally use any item to do that.
I'm guessing this is where we need to swim. Put on rebreathers. Is this lake?
Where?
There's a huge fucking lake. You can't tell me that you don't see it.
I just see glass. Oh, there it is.
You don't see all the water.
Hey, there's a dead guy over here with some shenanigans.
Oh, I'll come back out.
I'm getting my shovel. Damn it.
Ooh, soda pop. Take some pills. You die with the bottle. We'll take those.
Yeah, this is a very long cave. You would have drowned if you went this way.
Where are you?
In the water.
I dived.
Oh.
We're already at where you need to be at.
Where?
You gotta go. Keep going down. You can't miss it.
Oh, is it really deep? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's really fucking deep. You'll know when you get there when you start seeing another light when you get to the water.
Oh, we could have swam this.
Yeah, this actually isn't that bad.
I can hold my breath for 2 days. 5 days
Alright, now
before.
it's time to go back.